Hi friend, you are going to reinstall Windows in your PC. But are you worried about your PC drivers? Don't worry. You can easily take a backup of your drivers, and after reinstalling the Windows, you can easily reinstall your drivers very easily. First in first, right click on Windows and go to Settings. After opening the window, you have to click on Windows Update and check for the Windows updates. If you find any available update drivers, you have to update the drive first. After checking the Windows update, then you have to open File Explorer. Click on File Explorer. Then select the drive where you will take the backup. You can also add an external hard drive or USB drive to take the backup. I'm taking the backup in my E drive. So I'm clicking on E drive. Then any empty space of the E drive, you have to right click on it and open a new folder. You have to name the folder. I'm giving the name backup. Then double click on the folder. You have to keep this folder like this and minimize it. Now let's run the backup. You have to right click on Windows and click on Terminal Admin. You have to give yes the permission prompt. Running as administration is essential here. In the command prompt window, you have to type following command. I will give the command in the description. Here is the very important part. Go back to the folder which you have created. Click on address bar and copy the address of the folder. Type Ctrl C to copy and it will easily copy on your clipboard. So don't worry. After copying the address, you have to paste after colon. Now the full command is DISM / online / export driver / destination clone clone / backup. Before pressing enter, check the pasted folder path for quotation. If the quotation mark appear, the command will not work. The command should be clean and without quotation mark. OK, then press enter. DISM will be exporting the driver files immediately and all driver will export it to the backup folder within short. It will take no more time. Please watch and you will see the successful message. The operation completely successful. After completed successfully, you have to minimize the window and go to the backup file which we created. And if you click on backup folder, you will see many subfolder and each folder is carried each drive. So your all driver are having the backup in this E drive. Now you have finished your Windows setup. After finishing Windows setup, you have to plug in your external device drive where you have take the backup. Here I am taking the backup in my E drive, so I don't need to attach any external drive. Now you have to right click on Windows icon and click on Device Manager. After clicking Device Manager, you have to right click on your PC name and click on Add Drivers. There you have to browse the folder where you have take the backup. Click on the backup file. Then you have to press OK. Then you have to click on Next. And you can see all the drive will be installed successfully. Sometimes the firewall block some drivers. You have to ignore that and you have to go forward. When the driver successfully installed, you have to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you have to again go to Device Manager and check every drive is successfully installed or not. If there is some error sign, you have to reinstall the driver again, or you have to go direct manufacturer website and download the driver and reinstall it. So it's very easy process to reinstall. After reinstalling Windows, you can install your driver very easily and there is no any internet needed. So this is very easy process. Just one click you can take backup and with another click you can easily install all your drivers. So friend, try this on your PC. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can also keep comment. So that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.